Good evening. I'm coming to you from Waterbury, Vermont. The building you see behind me right now is the Fairfield Inn and Suites, which is called Fairfield Inn and Suites Waterbury/Stowe. We're gonna go get inside and get checked in. We're actually here for the next couple of nights. So we're gonna take you on a tour of the entire hotel and then give you our honest review at the end of the video, let you know what we think. Let's go inside, get out of this rain, get checked in, let's go make some memories. Heading up to our room, which is on the 4th floor, which is the top floor here. We always like staying on the top floor. Just our tip to everybody, it's best to get the top, that way you don't have anybody above you jumping around. So you don't have a bunch of kids stomping around making noise all day and night. Hello. We're this way. Okay, here's ice. Please sanitize your hands before and after using the ice maker. Interesting. I have a feeling I'm all the way at the end of this hallway. Okay. Ooh, I always show the maximum price of the room. The maximum price in this room is $700 a night. Wow, we're not paying nowhere near that. We're here for 2 nights, we're not even paying that. Not even half that. So here's the shower with the shampoos and conditioners and stuff in there and body wash. That's nice to have. Toilet. Trash can. We got plenty of towels, which is good. Looks like we got enough for both of our nights here. Let's see what we got over here. We got some people. All right, let's see. We already brought in... Jesus. That was not the door. I don't know what's going on there. Oh my gosh, look who's in bed already. What are you doing there? Okay, we got a closet here. Now it's difficult to see, but we got an ironing board, ironing, and hangers. You could also slide a suitcase in there if you needed to. We've got... Okay, here we go. I was starting to look around. I was like, where's the stuff? Here's a microwave. Here's a... Oh, they had a Keurig coffee maker. And they actually have Vermont Country Blend coffee. I have a feeling somebody in this room might be trying some coffee. And we got a mini fridge. Got a nice little spot here to put a suitcase if you need it. The only thing I didn't see was the little things that fold out that you can throw suitcases on. It's always nice when they have those. And then we got 2 clean beds. Air conditioning unit here. Interesting. Our view is of some trees and some sort of business behind it that has some trucks. I don't know what that is. And then we got a little place here where you can... I don't know what this is. I don't know what the heck this is. Huh. It looks like it'd be like for electrical plugs, but it's not the right style of plugs, doesn't look like. Maybe it is. Here's a nice picture of Waterbury. And of course we have a flat screen TV and some more storage drawers and stuff down here. So all in all, it looks like it's gonna be a pretty comfortable room. Here's the guest laundry. Let's check it out. Somebody's washing their clothes. It's $1.50. Or at least they got 2 and 2, which is good. Oh, and you can buy stuff there too for $1. They have dryer sheets, OxyClean, and all detergent. That's good. 2 unisex bathrooms. You know my secret about the bathrooms. I don't want to film in the pool area. Alright, this is the 24-hour exercise room. Okay, we got towels, water station, balls, stationary bike steppers, treadmills. You got a nice view of the woods. This looks like the same view as from our room, just lower. Yeah, this view is prettier than the room from our view. From our room, all you see is a couple of trucks that are over there. It's like a business. But it's a good exercise room. It's 24 hours, so that's cool. All right, so this is the breakfast seating area, or you can just come sit down here at nighttime too. And they said the breakfast was from 6 to 10, I think, right?
Yes.
Somebody left their beer there. Let's see what they got. Wow, they actually have silk almond milk, and they have silk chocolate almond milk. Little one is gonna be happy. And they got yogurt too. They got Chobani yogurts too. They have regular chocolate milk. Daddy's happy too. And they have orange juice, and then obviously all the regular breakfast stuff over here, which hopefully I'll remember to show you in the morning. And then they got their coffee station over here too, which looks like they got the Vermont Country Blend. They got hot water, oat milk, half and half, whole milk, and all the fixings to go with your coffee. Cool. And then if you want to, when you're coming for breakfast, you can actually come and sit outside too. Or any time of the day. Like right now, it's in the evening. I can come sit out here if I want to, if it wasn't raining. This is a nice area. There's even some stuff over this way. Check this out. That's pretty cool. And this is right off the main entrance, is right here. This hotel has parking in the back. It has parking along the side over here. And it has some parking in the back of the building, but you got to be careful where you park because there's a couple other businesses. You got to make sure you're in Fairfield's lot. Or they also have a parking garage, and it's no charge to park in the parking garage. You just need your room key to get in and out. And here's the business area here. They got a printer, it looks like, and a couple computers. And here's just the overall lobby. It's a nice hotel. I like it. There's a fireplace even too over here. I like the vibe in here. It's pretty cool. So down here on the first floor where the ice machine is, you see they got a bunch of brochures. They got a place where you can pin some stuff. And then there's actually an ATM too, so that's good to see. All right, so here's the pool area. There's also a hot tub whirlpool here as well. The pool hours are from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m., so that's good. They have late night. And I like that they have a table over there, so you can sit over there with your family, maybe play cards while the kids are swimming or something. And there's a bunch of chairs in here too. It's 4 foot. 4.5 feet deep, or 14 meters, and 3 feet deep, or 11 meters. Interesting. Nice pool area though. I like it. All right, so this is gonna wrap up our 2-night stay here at the Fairfield Inn, Waterbury, Stowe Hotel. We had done the prepay. You know how you can prepay for hotels and it knocks the price down? We had made our reservations months ago, months before we were here. And then when the trip got a little bit closer, us a few days before we left Florida, we switched it to prepay, and it saved us, I don't know, maybe 40 bucks or something, 30, 40 bucks total. It was worth doing because we knew we were coming. It's just the downfall of that is it's non-refundable, so if for some reason you don't make it here, you're still getting charged. But okay, as far as our stay goes, everybody here, the room was nice, it was clean. The only complaints with the room was the bathroom door creaked really loudly, so you had to kind of squeeze through it, being only open a little bit if you were going to the bathroom in the middle of the night, because otherwise it made too much noise and it was waking us up. There was a drawer that was sliding open. We did tell them about all this stuff too, so they're gonna try and get it all fixed. And then like our TV wouldn't even turn on, so we had to have the guy come up the first night we were here to do to get us new batteries for the remote because the TV wasn't working at all. But I think it was more than just the batteries. It might have been like the buttons on the remote were worn out or something. I don't know. But anyway, the breakfast was fantastic. The stay, everybody we encountered on the staff was great. Emily at checkout was great. Corrigan, I think his name was who checked us in, and he's the one who came up. He was awesome as well. Everybody that we encountered was great. So no, we just had a really good stay here. I definitely, if you're coming to this area, I recommend this hotel. It was excellent. If you like our hotel reviews, hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below. You ever been to Waterbury or Stowe before? This was our first time here. We were only here a couple of days and we enjoyed it, but now we're heading to Montpelier for a couple nights, so we're actually not very far. We're maybe 20 minutes from where we are right now, so we're in the same overall area. We're just switching hotels. All right, guys, safe travels. We'll see you down the road. We'll see you soon.